Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Dotson. I hope you all had a great weekend. Um, Today is Monday, March 23rd, and we are going to be talking about beginning sounds today. Recognizing beginning, middle, and ending sounds in words can help you as you're reading when you come to a word, a big word that you might not know, or any unfamiliar word you're trying to sound out. So like I said, our lesson today is going to focus on beginning sounds. The sound that you hear first in a word, such as fun, the f in fun is called that word's beginning sound. So what I want to do is I'm going to give you a series of 3 words, and I want you to say out loud as I'm doing this video, the 2 words that have the same beginning sound. Now remember, we are not looking for words that begin with the same letter. Typically, words that begin with the same letter also begin with the same sound. However, think of the word clock, C-L-O-C-K. The beginning sound in clock is k. Now think of the word kite, like flying a kite in the air. The beginning sound in the word kite is also k, but kite is spelled K-I-T-E. So some letters, like a C, can have 2 different sounds, the S and the K, like in the letter K, K. So we are not looking for beginning letters being the same. We are looking for beginning sounds. So let's practice. Here are 3 words. The words are lip, ate, late, and sip. So lip, late, and sip. Which 2 words have the same beginning sound? If you said the words lip and late out loud, you are correct. So now we're going to try a series of like 4 or 5 more series of 3 words to practice. So here are your next set of 3 words. Remember, we are looking for the same beginning sound. The words are sat, mix, and sign. Sat, mix, sign. What 2 letters have this, what 2 words have the same beginning sound? Those words again are sat, mix, and sign. If you said the words sat and sign, you are correct. They both have the beginning sound S. Okay, next 3 words. Toad, pile, and take. Again, those words are toad, pile, and take. Which 2 words have the same beginning sound? If you said the words toad and take, you are correct. They both have the same beginning sound of t. We will do one more, and then we're going to move to an activity that you will find in your take-home bag that your parent picked up. Okay, one last set. The words are mat, mine, and road. Mat, mine, and road. Which 2 words have the same beginning sound? If you said the words mat and mine, you are correct. Those 2 words have the same beginning sound of Okay, now what I want you to do is go into your take-home bag that you received and locate this packet. It's stapled together. It looks like this. And you will also need something to write with. So I'm going to give you a couple seconds to locate that while I take a little sip of my water. Okay, everybody should have this packet now. The directions say, beginning sounds. Say each picture name. Draw a circle around the 2 pictures in each row whose names begin with the same sound. So I am going to read those 3 words to you, and you are to put a circle around the 2 pictures in each row who have the same beginning sound. Remember, we're not looking for the same beginning letter. We're looking for the same beginning sound. So here are, I'm going to do the first one with you, and then we'll do all the rest of them together. So we're going to start with number 1. And then what you're going to do at the end, and I will repeat this again, is when we're all done with our 2 worksheets for today, I would like you to take a picture of them and send them to me. You can either do that via Google Classroom, or if you're uncertain how to do that, you can take a picture of them and email them to me. I will put my email address in today's directions on Google Classroom. So here we go. Number 1. The pictures are rug, fan, and rope. Rug, fan, and rope. Which 2 pictures have the same beginning sound? Circle them now. If at any time I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause this video and rewind and do the work and then continue watching the video. Number 2, the words are net, nest, and fox. Net, nest, and fox. Which 2 pictures have the same beginning sound? Number 3, the words are 10, king, and kite. 10, king, and kite. Again, circle the 2 pictures that have the same beginning sound. Moving on to number 4. Number 4, the words are bag, sock, and bug. Bag, sock, and bug. Please circle the 2 pictures that have the same beginning sound. Remember, another way to recognize beginning sounds is to pay attention to how your mouth is formed when you say those letters. For example, bag. Your lips kind of go together. And bug. Or in the words, like the word fan and a word fun. You can kind of see how your mouth shapes, and sometimes that can also help you if you're trying to identify beginning sounds. Okay, what I would like you to do now is turn to the very next page. It looks like this. The directions here say, beginning sounds, trace each letter, then say each picture name and the sound that it begins with. Then write the letter that stands for the beginning sound. So we have the letters P, T, and G. P, T, and G. So once you've traced those, we're going to look at these 4 pictures. I'm going to say the picture name, and you write the letter of the sound that it begins with. For example, if I would say to you, the picture is fish, then you would write an F in the space provided because fish starts with the beginning sound of F, and the letter F makes that sound. So here we go. The first one is ain't, paint. So you're going to write your beginning sound. The second picture is girl, girl. So write the letter that makes that beginning sound. The next picture is the number 10, N. Put the letter that makes that beginning sound, T. And the last one is a picture of a gate, G-8, gate. Put the letter that makes that beginning sound, G. Then what I would like you to do is after each picture, now that you've put that beginning letter sound, I want you to see if you can spell each of those words. So paint, finish spelling it on the line. Same thing with girl, 10, and gate. Remember, we've been working on rhyming last week and the week before in our small group. And we talked about how rhyming and knowing words that rhyme can help you spell or read other words. So if you know that the word saint and paint rhyme, and you know that saint is spelled S-A-I-N-T, that could probably maybe help you spell the word paint. So think of a word you know or know how to spell that rhymes with girl. And possibly that can help you spell girl. Same thing with 10 and gate. When you are all finished, again, please take a picture of this completed work and send it to me on Google Classroom. Or if you're having trouble with that, you can send it to me in my email. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Tomorrow I'm going to post a link for a game that you can play online that has to do with beginning sounds. All right, talk to you guys later.